Hello everyone. Today I'll be presenting the Retrieval Augmented Generation RAG pipeline used in our movie AI assistant. So this project leverages advanced AI techniques to provide accurate and meaningful movie recommendations and answers to our user queries. In traditional large language models like GPT 3.5, GPT-4 they generate responses based on pre-trained knowledge, but sometimes hallucinate incorrect information. So this is where RAG comes into picture. It combines the power of retrieval-based search with AI-generated text, making responses more factually accurate and contextually relevant. In this talk, I'll walk you through the objective of a project, the data used, the RAG pipeline, how the model performs, and future improvements. So let's dive in. The main objective of this project is to build an AI powered movie assistant that can answer user queries about movies accurately. Instead of relying solely on an LLM internal knowledge, we enhance its capabilities by retrieving real movie data by generating a response before generating a response. So, for example, if somebody asks, recommend a good horror movie, instead of generating a random response, our system searches through actual movie data and provides a recommendation based on facts. By using RAG, we ensure that the AI model is not just guessing, but making informed and well data backed decisions. So, this is the for data used. The data that we've used over here is movies. It is on movies. So we used multiple data sets from the movies data sets, which can be taken from Kaggle. It contains detailed information about thousands of movies. So over here, you can see the movies metadata.csv, credits.csv, keywords.csv. We took three CSV files, and movies metadata. It contains movie titles, overviews, genres, release date, credits. They contain cast and crew details. Keyword. They contain keywords associated with movies. And then we had to do some pre-processing. So we cleaned it, we removed duplicates and combined different tables based on movie IDs to create a structured data set. And we did some standardization as well. Yeah. So coming to RAG pipeline, so let's go step by step to the pipeline that powers our movie assistant. So first of all, we extract data. First, we load and process all the movie-related data. We extract key fields such as title, genre, director, keywords, and ratings and store them in a structured format. Then we chunk the data. Since movie descriptions are long, we break them into smaller chunks of about 512 words. This helps in efficient retrieval and ensures our AI model gets the most relevant information. Then we do the storing part. Once we have the text chunk, we convert them into vector embeddings using a sentence transformer model. And these embeddings are then stored in FAISS, which is the Facebook AI similarity search, which allows for fast and scalable similarity searches. Then we do the part of retrieving relevant information. So when a user asks a question, our system converts the query into an embedding and performs a semantic search. In FAISS, it retrieves the top three most relevant movie descriptions based on similarity. And finally, we do the generating AI response part. We take the retrieved results and pass them into GPT 3.5, which generates a well structured and natural response based on the real movie data. For example, if a user asks who directed Inception, the pipeline will first retrieve actual records of the movie Inception, and then it generates a response using GPT 3.5. Yeah. For model components and techniques, we for text embeddings we use sentence transformer because it's compact, fast, and then for fast retrieval or sentence similarity search, we use FAISS. It's optimized for that as well, and then we use GPT 3.5 for response generation. So coming to model performance evaluation, when we talk about retrieval performance, we use the top key accuracy as our metric. So we measure the accuracy of FAISS retrieval by checking if the correct movie appeared in the top three search results, and our FAISS retrieval achieved an accuracy of around 85 to 90%, which is great improvement over random guessing. Then we have the LLM response quality. So we conducted a human evaluation where we test users rated responses based on relevance and clarity. And the model consistently scored above 4.5 out of 5 on these metrics, meaning it generates high quality answers. So coming to speed and efficiency, using FAISS, we optimize retrieval time to under 50 to 30 to 50 FAS is retrieval is actually 30 50, it's under 30 milliseconds. I put over minutes here, so it's a mistake. I will change it. So it's milliseconds. And GPT 3.5, its response was almost 3 to 5 seconds, and it made the system more fast and accurate. Over here, it's just a demo. So over here, we can enter the questions. So my query was directed Conjuring, and there are some fine sample prompts also that I've written over here. So the AI response was the movie The Conjuring was directed by James Wan. So by doing this, we are removing the entire hallucination part. So there is one more prompt that I've put over here. What are the best thriller movies? So you can see the thriller movies that have been retrieved from the database. The conclusion, so we built a fully functional RAG system for movie search, and for we used different things as well, FAISS, sentence transformers, and GPT 3.5. Sorry, I think I've written four over here. I think we used GPT 3.5 to create a scalable solution. I tried both GPT 3.5 and GPT 4, but there was some API key problems. So that's why I shipped it over to GPT 3.5, some independent dependencies problem. And the responses were felt more natural and useful than simple keyword-based search. There were no hallucinations at all. It was super cool. And we deployed the system using Streamlit Cloud. And future improvements, we can expand the data set by adding real-time movie updates. We can use more advanced embeddings for better search, and we can improve LLM response via custom GPT fine-tuning, which I have not done. But I think in the project we'll be fine-tuning something. So I think it would be a very pleasant and it was so fantastic to work with LLMs. Thank you. Thank you. So over here, I want to show a demo of what I have done. So we can see the deployment is done over Streamlit. So I'm just asking a question as such. Uh, Give me movies starring Angelina Jolie. So you can see over here, these are some movies starring Angelina Jolie, Girl Interrupter, Lara Croft, Mrs. Smith, Salt, Male Fishing. And then I'm asking another question. Movies on President Obama. So over here, you can see there are some movies, couple of movies related to President Obama. So South Side with You, Barry. So this is really good. There are no hallucinations. Whatever you require, it takes things only. It retrieves only things that are relevant, putting away all irrelevant things, which is a very cool thing. And then I am asking, recommend me a horror movie to watch tonight. So it's recommending me. I want to watch a horror movie. It's recommending me to watch Scary or Die released in 2012. This film offers five interwoven horror stories set in City of Angels, promising to fulfill all your twisted on a horror film experience. So it's really cool. It's very awesome, and I love it. Thank you.